loop that video. Okay. Yeah, let's start. So actually, I will teach performance testing. Okay. Okay. So this performance testing actually, if it is a software, everyone may know that. Okay, what are you doing? Is software. I am doing software job. So in the software job, we have the many things will be there. Okay, developer will be there, tester will be there, database tester will be there, and database also DBA application also will be there. As same to the manual tester, automation tester, performance testing will be there. So going to that, our performance testing, which phase we can do for the our performance testing. That is the important thing. Because so I will tell from the directly what is performance testing, what are the tools means. Okay, someone will ask, okay, which phase you are doing for the performance testing. So that should also very important for us. Because so if anyone asks also, we need to give from the very simply, okay, we are doing from the after this, so you will know. So that is why. So software, okay, in the software we have the like hardware will be there. So just I will giving from the little bit awareness of everyone. Okay, hardware and software. So hardware nothing but it is a entire computer in parts, and hardware things like in the computer we have the CPU monitor, and in the computer we have the chips level. So many things is as a hardware they will do from the as a hardware engineer. And software engineer nothing but he will do from the like it's a programming or is a testing or a database or a whatever may be thing. Okay, in the software we have the okay, 1 minute. I'll open Paint till this. Yeah. So actually start with the software testing. Okay. Software. So in this software, we have the multiple things will be there. Okay. Okay. As a software, what are the things will be there? Means everyone doing from the software job, but in the software, we have multiple things will be there. One is from the first will come to the developers. Okay, just I'm giving from the not only from we have the different things also will be there, business analyst and different will be there, but only from our point of view what we need you we can use the I will explain that. Okay. Okay, in that first point, developer. Okay, developer, as a developer develop the application. Example, Facebook application will be there. So Facebook application, we can launch the application. After that we can log in the application, and after that we are uploading, downloading. So you are doing this all things means how you are doing means as a developer already he is developed from that code. Okay, once you can enter the URL as a login, you need to enter username, password, click on login button. So this everything in the front end already developer is developed from the some code is using from the different language. It is a Java or .NET or it is a whatever maybe it is language. Okay, developer once develop that application as a user, we are everyone user. We are using that application as a front end. Okay, means we are simply using from the front end. We are entering from the URL, and after that we are entering from the username and password, and we are clicking login button. And after that, you are doing from the upload video, download video you are doing. So how we are doing is as the developer, he will be develop the code using from the as a programming language, any programming. Okay, programming. Okay, once as a developer develop the programming language. Okay, so just he developed from the Facebook application only launch and login. As once he's developed this particular module launch and login, so as a developer also he will test from the his application also, but he will not approve. Okay, my application is working fine. We can start from the next process. Just he will develop, and his side also he will check, but is a code level we don't check, but we need to check from the front end application. Facebook application will be there. Okay, you need to enter from the username password and click on login button. It is going to the next page or not, check. Otherwise, you giving from the username or password is wrong and click on login button. So assume that if you give from the wrong username and wrong password, it will go to the login successfully. No, right? So means who will do that means as a okay tester will be do from the this all things. Okay, so tester nothing but it is a whatever may be testing point. So developer will be develop the code, and after that as a testing he will be observe the if it is any mistake is done, any errors are there, any bugs are will be there, or alignment is correct or not, spelling mistakes are there. Okay, if you click from this button it is going to the next page or not. So as a tester will be checked. So in the testing we have the different testers will be there: manual testing, automation testing, database testing, and performance testing will be there. So manual testing. So manual testing nothing but so we have the manual tester. So in the manual tester and we have the testing will be different testings will be there. One is from the manual tester, one is from the automation tester, one is from the database tester, one is from the performance tester. Okay, so just I'm giving from the manual tester okay, nobody will take this manual tester. Okay, and automation tester, one more is the automation, and one more is the like database tester, and next is the performance tester. So for here you can observe, so as a developer he will develop the application. After that testing part will be there. Testing part first will be start with the manual tester. So he will check from the each and every field, like each and every field nothing but for example we'll open from the any one of the application. I will show from the example. Okay, so just we have the one application will be there. So this is the some Pestore application, nothing but some sample application. For here, as the developer already is developed from the everything. Manual tester, what he can do means, okay, each and every spelling, fish spelling is correct or not, alignment also is correct or not, and spelling mistakes also will be there, not there. And it's the color and alignment also very important. Like client is expected from this color here. So as per client requirement, is the really this color is there also as a manual tester he will do. Means he will do from the each and every step. Okay, he will click from the sign in button. It is going to the next page or not, he will check. If you click from the fish, so each and every point he will test, and he will, okay, this application is working fine. So everything is working fine. Then they will give from the okay, application is fine. It is done from the manual tester. So, and automation tester will be there. Automation tester nothing but, so manual tester what will happen, manually you need to do from the each and every step. Okay, you will click from the this button and this and everything you will check means it will take time. So that is why what will happen means starting is the actual manual tester only will be there. But nowadays we have the Selenium will be there, like automation, Selenium with Java, Selenium with .NET, Selenium with Python also will be there. Okay, why? Because automation tester is came is okay to overcome the manual effort. So automation tester will be do from the automatically. Automation nothing but using from the any tool, using from the anything. Okay, automatically you are doing, that is called automation. So using from the automation tester, he will do from the at a time is he will write from the code and all things, and he will do from the very fast compared to the manual tester. So that is why nowadays compared to the manual tester, automation tester is demand is good. Why? Because so you need to do from the like coding all things, and so you need to do automation is the means it is a very to overcome the like manual tester 3 numbers, for example, doing from the one application. Automation tester will be 6 numbers will be there. Why? Because so manual tester will be less compared to the automation tester. So market is going from the like this. And database tester. Database tester nothing but he will test from the application side as the database. Like you enter from the username password, for example, username password you are entering. Okay, for example, he will enter from the username and password. And after the click on login button, what will happen is once you can click on login button, it is going to the database. Okay, username is J2W1 and password is also some J2W1 will be there, not there in check in the database. Okay, it will be there. It will send the response. Okay, okay, is username password is correct and go to the next page. Yeah, so this kind of not only from this any database point of view, they are testing with the like each query level and everything they will test. That is the database tester. So finally, manual tester automation testing is completed. Okay, means application is fully perfectly working. Means you are using from the application. Okay, no bugs means if you click this button, it is going to the login page. And you if you click from the any fish button means already testing is the manual testing is completed and automation testing everything is done. Then next phase is the performance testing. So what is performance testing? Nothing but as a non-functional testing we need to do. Manual tester and automation tester, they will do from the functional. Functional nothing but they will check from the each and the spelling level. Okay, alignment level and assume to the he will give from the some username password and click on login button. He will give from the correct username password and negative things also he will think. Okay, you need to give from the username and password will be wrong. Click on login button. See, if you enter from the username password wrong, it is going to the login. It is going to the next page. It is valid or invalid. Hello, everyone. Why mute? Please speak out. Hello. Hello. Everyone available, right? Prasad, Venkatramana. Hello. Prasad, Venkatramana. Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, you guys are
Yeah,
there, not there. What happened, man? You're listening or not?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Okay, you can respond. Okay, if you ask questions or anything, right? You can respond. Okay. So now,
Yeah.
so functional point of view, check the manual tester. But as a performance tester, going to the performance tester. So our performance tester, we can test with the non-functional things only, not functional. Functional means like spelling mistakes and you need to check from the alignment, color. These all things we are not check. We need check from the only non-functional testing. So non-functional testing nothing but so for example, you are enter username and password, click on login button. So it is going to the login button and how much time it is happen from the once you can click on login button, how much time it is happen, we need to calculate. So means we are not a functional tester, we are a non-functional tester. Okay, so we'll start. Okay, That is the just software life cycle. Okay, just it will start from the developer to it is going to the tester. In the tester, we have the manual and automation database tester as same to the performance tester. So means you can observe here, we are in last phase. We are in last phase. Why? Because so your application performance also very important. For example, Facebook application will be there. What will happen? Day to day users are increasing. So everyone using that application, what will happen? Sometime will be their application will be slow, it is happen, and sometimes their application will be crash also it is happen. So not only this, for example, Amazon, Flipkart will be there. What will happen? The festival season, they are giving from the offers. What will happen? They are giving from the 1 rupee product or 10 rupees or very 50%, 60% offers. Then what will happen? Everyone will log into the Amazon Flipkart application. We are trying to buy the any product. So at that time, what will happen? Number of user will be access their application. When number of user accessing their application, what will happen? Their application will be might be slow also it is happen, might be crash also it is happen. So these kind of things happen if you not done the performance testing. So before 1999, we don't have from the performance testing. So after 2000 onwards, okay, without performance testing, application is not going to the live. Live nothing but we are using right now. You are using Facebook and some applications. As a user using means that application is live. So means if your application really is going to the live means you need to complete from the performance testing. As the performance test engineer, because you are the performance test engineer of the your organization. So you need to certify that, okay, this application is fine from the performance testing. So you can go to the live. So finally, we need to give from the sign off. If you not given sign off, that application is never going to the live. So that is why very important as a performance tester also very important from the crucial of the application is the end of the application. So what will happen, right? In our project, really our project we are doing, when we are doing from the performance testing, sometimes what will happen is we are getting some issues and application response time also very high it is coming. So what will happen is we are not give from the sign off. Developer will be asking to the give the sign off. We are not give because as per our expectation, we are meeting from the our response time is when it is correct, then only we are giving from the sign off. So that is the our power of the performance test engineer. So clear for this software life cycle. Just this is just our understanding point of view where we are in and when we can do from the performance testing. It's clear?
Yes, yes, clear.
Yeah, thank you. So now we'll move to the performance testing. So performance testing nothing but it is like non-functional testing. So non-functional testing nothing but we need to test the just application. What are the critical business scenarios will be there? Those we need to test. But manual tester, he will test from the each and every field he will test. But as a non-functional testing, we are not test from the every application. Okay, Facebook will be there. We can observe Facebook. What are the things we can do? What we can do? Launch the URL. And after that, what you can do? Log in the application. Login application. And after that, what you can do? Upload video. And download video. Some scenarios I'm telling. So yeah, whatever maybe, just I'm giving from the some scenarios. Charting. Like. Comment. So you can observe launch everyone will be do means like when you are application using from the Facebook application, okay. Facebook application, everyone will be do the launch or not. Without launch directly you can go to the login? No, right? Means launch is the one of the important our business scenario. And login is there. Login nothing but everyone should log in. Without login, no one will go to the application. And after that, upload video, download video also, it is taking time. But you can observe like and comment. It is happen from the within second. It is happen. So no need to test from the as a performance tester. No need to test from the these scenarios like and comment, because that scenarios will be happen within second, and that will be there is no load happen from the our application. So that is why no need to test. Means as the performance testing engineer, we can't do from the all the functionality. Just what are the critical scenarios will be there. Those scenarios only we need to test the application. Okay. So going to the performance testing, we have the different tools in the market. One is from the LoadRunner. Okay. And second one is from the JMeter. Okay. And Neoload and Soasta. And okay, we have the load gen also will be there. So this all will be performance testing tool. So performance testing, so we are not do from the manually, okay? Using from the any one of the tool we are doing. It's a non-functional testing. We are doing means using from the any tool we are doing. We are not doing from the manually. Okay. So what are the tools means? LoadRunner is one, JMeter, Neoload, Soasta, LoadGen. So these are all tools using from the nowadays as a performance testing point of view. So LoadRunner will be there, JMeter will be there, Neoload, Soasta will be there. Okay. So we have the total 5 to 6 tools will be there. You have doubt. We need to learn this all 6 or 7 tools. No need, because in our projects as a software projects, most of the companies, MNC companies, and most of the companies, 99% of the companies using from the only LoadRunner only. And remaining JMeter, it is using from the 0.5%. Okay. And Neoload also it is using from the some two like 1.5%. Sorry, 0.2%. So remaining all it is using from the 0.3%. So why LoadRunner only using from the most of the companies? Because LoadRunner is the license-based tool. Means you need to do from the performance testing using the LoadRunner means you need to buy the license. Okay. What will happen means you got from the one project, your company got from the one project. Okay. So that could be whatever maybe like Amazon project. You can assume Amazon project, your card. Then your client will be asking, like your company will asking that we need to do from the performance testing means we need from the $5.5 million is the budget they are asking. Okay, why you want from this much budget? They will ask. Okay, dollars. Okay, $5.5 million dollars. So if you ask this much of, immediately they were asking that why you need from the this much of budget. For example, JMeter is there. So I'm using from the JMeter. I want $5.5 million. You ask. Immediately client will ask why you need from the 5.5 millions, because JMeter is a free tool, like it is the open source to free tool. This is the free tool, means anyone can download it, anyone can do from the free performance testing. So it's an open source tool. Then your client is asked as Amazon, why you need from the 5.5 millions? It is a JMeter is a free of cost. And in market also so many numbers are will be there as a JMeter resources. Why you need this much of? I will give from the only 1.5 millions. Then what will happen? Company will be lost from the $4 million. So otherwise, you are asked from the 5.5 millions. Company asking that why you want that much of. Then we are using from the LoadRunner tool. We need to buy the license. We need to buy the license means we need from the minimum 2 millions, and resource also very less to like doing from the performance testing. So we need to give from the more salaries, like who are experienced from the more than 5 years, 6 years. So salaries also very high. So that is why we need from the 5.5 millions. Okay, then client will understand. Okay, that's fine because they are buying the license and the resource also very less. And okay, that's fine. We'll give from the 5.5. They will ask. So it's a license based. LoadRunner is a license based. That is why most of the like companies using from the LoadRunner, because client will be, they will maximum expecting from the license based tool only. Why? Because their data will be safe. Okay, and this kind of like there is no fraud will be happen from the when we have the license based tool. So client will be think like that. So that is why most of the companies using from the LoadRunner only. JMeter using from the like small companies, like level 2 level 3 companies, they are using from the level 4 level 5 companies JMeter using, because they don't have much budget to buy the license. So as same to that, they don't have from the like high clients like Amazon, Flipkart, this kind of clients, they don't have very less, like school projects and some different small projects they have. So they will give from the very less budget, like 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs they are giving. So you need to buy the license means only LoadRunner it will take high. So that is what will happen. They will go to the JMeter. It's a open source tool. Got it point? Why LoadRunner is using from the most of the people?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Neoload also one of the license based tool, but that is not much using from the like nowadays. Okay. That is developed from the Neotus. When it is introduced from the Neoload, it is introduced the Neotus, but now it is a Tricent company. It is occupied from the Neoload. Source-star LoadGen also open source tool. Anyone can upload and download, and they can do from the performance testing. So in our training, I will give you from the LoadRunner and JMeter. So first we'll start with the LoadRunner. Once LoadRunner is completed, we can move to the JMeter also. So one by one, we can start from the classes. Okay, tomorrow classes means tomorrow also we have the demo. Like I will show from the LoadRunner end-to-end testing. Okay, how to we can do the scripting, how to do the we can execution. So as a performance test engineer, what is the your role? What is the end-to-end your role? I will show the tomorrow class end-to-end testing. Okay, we can do from the using the LoadRunner, do the scripting, and that script we can execute, and we can analyze the results also. Like I will show the end-to-end testing. Then you will know that okay, as a performance testing, we need to do from the these things. You will be know. It is a very easy tool, no coding, okay, zero coding, and tool based, right? So just easy to every day you should follow, and every day you should be practice. You can easily crack the interview, and if you go like put the experience 5 to 6 years also, you can do from the your work without anyone support also. Once you can directly go to the office and you can do your work when you are follow with me, and when you are like I will give from the some assignments also. Okay, anyone have any doubts? I am stopping
Okay.
class today.
Yeah.
Yes, please. So anyone have any doubts, you can call me in my mobile also, no worry. Okay, I will explain from the if you think anything need. Okay, thank you for joining, and we'll meet from the tomorrow, and we'll continue our classes. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.